Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow figures. First, gather your essential ingredients like unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and light corn syrup. Make sure your workspace is prepared by lightly greasing a baking sheet with non-stick spray and lining it with parchment paper. Having all your tools clean and ready will ensure a smooth process from start to finish. Next, bloom your gelatin by sprinkling it over 1/2 cup of cold water and letting it sit for about 5 minutes. In a separate saucepan, combine your sugar, light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, using a candy thermometer to ensure accuracy. Carefully pour the hot syrup over the bloomed gelatin, stirring until fully dissolved. Now it's time to whip the mixture. Using a stand mixer, beat the marshmallow on high speed for about 10 minutes until it's thick, fluffy, and has significantly increased in volume. Once whipped, transfer the warm marshmallow into a piping bag. You can then use various piping nozzles to create intricate shapes and details for your figures, bringing your designs to life with precision and ease. After shaping, allow your marshmallow figures to set completely. This usually takes several hours at room temperature, or you can leave them overnight for best results. Once your figures are set, you can get creative with decorating them using edible markers, sprinkles, or food coloring to add personality. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.